I love how nowadays people like, I have to progress up the cliff off. No. This is the tree of Sepirots. Like, come on, people. Rename stuff, reiterate everything, make it look like, oh, this is something that it isn't. Wow. People just kill me more and more. Oh, there it is. Oh, and I got my little snaky things going through it, and all the way, like, wow. Are you guys, this is something I learned when I was 12 years old. People blow it way out of proportion. Really? Really? You're gonna do this and go, oh, now because I'm a Mason and my family was the first one to bring it. Really? Do you think? No, it was way before any scriptures or any other bullshit. Everybody try to have a grand day, but blowing stuff out of proportion won't help things. It just won't help things. You know, we're trying to connect people's hearts to earth. And then we succeed in that. And people are trying to, oh, this is the new religion. This is the new religion. No, this is. Oh, there aren't any angels. There aren't any demons. Oh, they're all the same. Oh, they're not the same. Oh, look, I can take two candles and put mirrors behind both of them, and oh, wow, look at what I'm creating. Wow, don't you think that's been done before? Wouldn't you rather take like something like Epcot Center, the way that it's shaped, and make it mirrors on the inside of that and put a candle on the inside and then do something like that? I mean, just the basic minded stuff that I see on this app makes me laugh. You all are better than that. Do greater. Do grander things. Have a grand day.